everyone, welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Ahmed. Today we're going to be making Thai red curry paste. Now this recipe I'm going to be showing you how to make from scratch. Very often I go to the store and I pick up a can of red curry paste. That's really good too, but there's something special when you make it yourself. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get cooking. I'm going to start with 20 red chilies. I'm going to soak these dried chilies in water overnight so their skins have a chance to soften. These are just regular chilies. You can find these at most Asian stores. You can totally use your mortar and pestle for this, but I'm going to be using my food processor. I'm going to add all the liquid ingredients in first. In goes 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, a 1/4 cup of garlic that I've roughly chopped, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of either fish, shrimp or crab paste. Next, I'm going to add 3 shallots, all of the soaked chilies, one teaspoon of white peppercorns, and 2 tablespoons of coriander roots. Thai food uses coriander root while most other cultures just throw it away. Next, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of lemongrass. These have been cleaned and sliced. If you're not sure how to process lemongrass, I will leave a link at the end of this video as well as in the description. I have 2 lime leaves here and I've just cut these into strips. This is roughly 2 tablespoons. These lime leaves come on a stalk like this. Be careful as they have very sharp thorns. I freeze any leaves that I have left over. Next, I'm going to add some galangal. Notice that galangal looks just like ginger, but it doesn't taste like ginger. Instead, it has a very lemongrassy flavor. If you can't find fresh, you should be able to find this in the frozen aisles. I finally diced about a 1/4 cup. Galangal can be quite tough, so the smaller you dice it, the better on your processor blades. I'm also going to add a teaspoon of salt and get ready to process this. This will take some time to grind down. Add some red chili water as required. You can keep grinding this or you can finish this off in a mortar and pestle. This will keep in your fridge for a couple of weeks. Enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for red curry paste. This Thai red curry paste is packed with flavor. Every time I get my hands on a bunch of these ingredients, I will make up a batch. I will keep some in the fridge and you can even freeze it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys, and make sure that you've rung the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And if you love this video, do share it with your family and friends. Leave me a comment below as well. I love to hear from you. Also, follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.